the second fastest revving engines. Can go from like idle to redline in a couple seconds.
So the like big hype gets mainly surfaced in the last 3-4 years.
Yeah, really during COVID.
The goals of the new LFA are no different than they were with the original concept. Let's build a supercar with world-class performance. We thought about what a supercar should be, and then started to design what a Lexus version of a luxury exotic could be.
I think that's when it kind of skyrocketed. Some people got bored, started researching like, hey, what about an LFA? And realized, oh crap, this is actual Formula One technology for the street, naturally aspirated V10, which even that in itself is a dying breed. This is something a little bit more pure with it being just naturally aspirated V10. This is actually a carbon fiber chassis here.
Oh,
it's not a steel unibody structure like a regular car. All the bits are there. It's a proper supercar.